Hey guys, it's me, Tommy, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how I created this beautiful spring twist look that is literally butt length, and it only took me 3 hours to complete. So let's just jump right into this tutorial. So first things first, you start off with freshly washed hair. In my last video, I showed you guys how many braids I had in my hair when I did those bubble braids. So I decided to do the same thing for you guys, just in case you wanted to try this hairstyle yourself or you wanted your stylist to follow this tutorial. I have a total of 52 braids in my hair, and I'm just showing you guys how many braids I have in each row. So I purchased these passion twists here. They're in 24 inches and I got 8 packs of it. Each pack has 18 individual twists in it. So I had just enough here to do my entire head plus leftovers. And I'm gonna use 2 pieces of twist in each braid. So just want to make sure I'm not confusing you. I'm just taking 2 pieces of hair and that's going to be 1 braid. If you want your braid to be thicker than mine, then you'll obviously add more hair, but I just used 2. And instead of me having to literally comb through it to make sure that it's nice and thick and just not so uniformed, I'm just gonna pull the hair down, and that's gonna help separate the hair. Because the hair is 24 inches long when it's actually bent in half, you don't wanna tangle it even more, even though this hair is pretty soft. So instead of me just doing that whole full separation and cutting down time, I'm just gonna pull my hair down. Next, I'm gonna take my crochet needle. It actually comes with a crochet needle, so you don't have to go out and purchase it. If you're buying this hair, it's gonna come with a crochet needle. So I'm gonna take my crochet needle and I'm gonna crochet the hair underneath my braid. This is the perfect style to use if you don't wanna use rubber bands. And I'm gonna hold on to one side of my hair, one side of the twist, and I'm gonna pull the other side through just so that it's nice and even. Does that even make sense? I think it makes sense. But anyway, I'm gonna make sure that it's nice and even. Now, since my hair is already braided at the root, I don't have to worry about braiding the hair, the passion twist in my hair. I can just go ahead and just twist it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna go ahead and just twist it. Now, if you're doing shorter spring twists, like a bob look, and you're not doing this method of you crocheting it into your actual hair, like if you're doing a rubber band or you're just freestyling braiding it into your hair, then you can braid it first and twist it. But because this hair is super long and I'm also crocheting it in my hair, there's no need for me to braid it first. Now I'm making sure that I am covering my natural hair. I just feel like my natural hair, I just cannot ever get the right color texture. I always purchase 1B, but it always comes in as a 1. So I have to make sure that I'm tucking my natural hair so that it kind of blends in with the hair. So that's what I'm doing. I'm twisting it kind of close, and until I get to the end of my natural hair, that's when I'm gonna start twisting looser. So you see me, I'm twisting really tight and close up, and then when I get towards the end where my natural hair stops, I'm just gonna go ahead and twist it looser. So you see my hands are like further away. You can make it as rough as possible because that's what makes it look a little bit cuter with like the curls popping out and everything like that. So it doesn't have to be super neat. You can have like some curls popping out, which I'm gonna show you in another twist. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just twist it all the way down. And then when I get to the ends, I'm just gonna just twirl the hair down. I'm giving you guys just a close-up shot of what my twists are starting to look like. It's just super juicy and pretty, and then they have some curls poking out. So while I'm proceeding with the next braid, I'm just gonna let you guys know, because you're probably gonna ask like, hey Tommy, what direction do you twist your hair? Now, if you twist the hair in the opposite direction, in the direction that it's not supposed to twist in, it will not give you a twist. If you know, you know. If you're gonna try this yourself, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. So the direction that I'm twisting the crochet, or not the crochet, the spring twist or the passion twist here is towards my face. If you try twisting it the opposite way, it will not give you a twist. It would just literally just be one huge curl. So that's just the FYI. Not sure if your hair will do that, but this specific hair did that for me. But I'm gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna twist towards my face. In regards to the parts, this time around, I did not put any edge control to make my parts pretty clean. I opted not to do that only because sometimes putting that edge control on your scalp can cause buildup, and I really like my hair health is really important to me. So sometimes I do certain things for YouTube, certain times I don't. But I also wanted this style to look more like hippie, vibey kind of, that it's like been in my hair for a while kind of thing. So I opted not to put any edge control into onto my scalp when I was parting my hair. You can still clearly see the boxes, but I know that the edge control will make the boxes a little bit neater. So that's just FYI. I'm just showing you guys just a close up. Like, you don't have to make this super neat or super uniform. I think with the curls popping out, it just makes it look cuter, more edgier. I don't know. It's just with it being too uniform, sometimes it looks too blah. But when you have just a little bit of curls popping out, it just looks a little bit better. That's just me. But I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat that process throughout my head. And then also I'll give you guys a close-up view of what I'm doing again with my hair. I think the only difficult part, I say it's beginner friendly, but the only difficult part is actually making those boxes. So if you want to, you can use a trifold mirror. I used that mirror in my previous video of my bubble braids, which I'll link a card above and below, so you can figure out how to do the parting in the back of your head. But right here, I'm just showing you guys just a close-up view of what I'm doing with my hair. So I put the crochet, I crocheted the spring twist or passion twist into my hair, and then I'm just taking my natural hair plus the actual synthetic hair, and I'm twisting it really close together. I'm twisting it close together just to make sure that I'm tucking my natural hair in so it doesn't poke out. If you want, you can use some edge control or some gel to keep your hair in place with the twist so it doesn't poke out. Just making sure that you're twisting kind of close and tucking it in. And I'm gonna show you guys how I'm tucking it in. So I'm twisting out and then over, out and then over. You'll see what I'm talking about. You're just gonna flick your wrist out and then twist over. See, flick my wrist out, twist in, flick my wrist out, twist in, flick my wrist out, twist in. And that's just the way that I'm gonna tuck the ends of my hair. I swear to you guys, this is very beginner friendly. Like I said, the only difficult part is making those boxes yourself. So you can ask a friend to help you out with the back of your hair, or you can just practice. I mean, I didn't just wake up and learn how to do my hair myself. I've been doing my hair since I was 9 years old. So I've been doing my hair for a very long time, and practice makes perfect. This is what the final look looks like. So yes, indeed, it did take 3 hours to do. I have a total of 52 braids. It literally took me a minute to do each twist, and it took me an hour and a half to do the parting in the back. And this is the final look. You see how it just looks very natural and just relaxed. I mean, it's not natural because it's very spongy. Not spongy, but like spiny. Spiny? Is that a word? But anyway, I love how versatile this hair is. I'm showing you just a few hairstyles that you can do literally straight day one. Like, there's no tension on your scalp whatsoever. And yeah, that's basically all I have, guys. 3 hour look. If you got somewhere to go that night and you need to do a hairstyle, this is a very elegant hairstyle to try. Let me know if you're gonna try this hairstyle below, and definitely tag me on Instagram if you are trying it as well. My Instagram is HairDeLaCreme. And if you have any questions, you can leave them below. I will definitely have all information linked in the description box, as well as timestamps. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.